Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddeddad.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a strict ring muscle up. And it's actually not a very hard movement to do. It's just a matter of knowing the technique and also learning how your body will be moving in space. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to make sure that you use a false grip. This is a false grip, okay, where your wrist is bent. The rings are going to land right on that crease between your hand and your forearm, and then your fingers are going to be cradling the ring, okay? Normally, when you do a pull-up, your wrist is going to be right below the ring or the pull-up bar. But when we're doing a muscle up, you want to make sure that you have a way to push yourself up once you get to the dip area. So this is going to be hard to transition from a pull-up to a dip. You're going to have to bring your whole arm on top of the ring, so that makes it a lot harder. And that's actually the hardest part of the whole muscle up, is a transition. If you can do a pull-up, if you can do a ring dip, then you're good. It's just a matter of transitioning from one exercise to the other. For that reason, the false grip is the best thing for this. So this is what it looks like. You have this little crease right here will be sitting right on the rings, and then you just cradle your fingers and thumb around the ring. Now, that's the grip part. Now, the whole movement consists of you bringing your arms towards the bottom of your rib cage, okay? You don't want to bring it like a pull-up towards the chin, the bottom of the chin, because that makes it a lot harder. By bringing the rings towards the bottom of the rib cage, now you're in a position where the rings are going to be below your shoulders, making it a lot easier for you to just transition into the dip. So what you want to do is bring this down towards your rib cage with a stiff body, and when you pull yourself up, your body will slightly angle in this direction. It'll go up like this, and then all you have to do is, when you get here, is bring the arms back a little bit and lean forward, and then you'll end up in that dip position. Now from the front, it'll look like this. Start here, keep your arms close to your body. If you spread them out wide, it becomes a lot harder. So keep them close to your body, bring it here, pull back, and then you're just gonna let gravity bring you forward and land in that dip position. And from there, you just do a regular dip. So it's that simple, okay? And one thing I forgot to mention also is you wanna make sure your body is tight throughout the whole movement. Body tight, your chin is tucked in a little bit, and boom, you're gonna land in that position. Now I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So now I'm gonna show you the whole movement. Again, we start with the false grip. Your wrist should be right over the rings, and when I pull myself up, I'm pulling towards the bottom of my rib cage. My body is tight, chin is tucked a little bit, and as you pull up, you're gonna bend from the wrist, pull your arms back and let gravity take over, and from there, you just do the dip. So here we go. False grip, body tight, chin tucked a little bit. I fall into the dip. Push up. And that's the whole movement. Now, over time, if you practice a lot, that's gonna irritate this area of your skin. So what I would suggest you do is you invest in one of these things here. This is a palm protector. Now, a palm protector is very simple piece of equipment. You basically cover your hand with a piece of leather. And the reason for that is because this over here is very sensitive, more sensitive than the calluses that you get right below your fingers. So over time, if you practice those muscle ups with the false grip, this can rip, and that hurts a lot more than the calluses up here, believe me. So this is very simple. Stick your fingers in, you have a piece of leather covering your palm, and then you just wrap this around. This is a wrist wrap as well. And then you have a protector there covering this area. And the good thing about this one as well is that it's made of elastic and Velcro. There's some that they sell that have a D-ring over here, and as you bend the wrist, that D-ring can dig into your hand, and that's very painful. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link below this video if you want to invest in one of these. I highly recommend it due to the fact that it's going to protect that area that's very sensitive. But now you know how to do the ring muscle up. Very simple. As I said, start with the false grip. Keep your arms close to your body, pull towards the bottom of the rib cage, body tight. Then when you get to this area, all you have to do is bend from the waist, let gravity take over, and from there is just a dip. Okay? I hope you liked the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below, and let me know if you do this. Let me know if you achieve the strict ring muscle up, and I'll be happy to know that you did. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.